hearts are lifted high tonight. His wonders echo through the land. We stand united, hand in hand. Let the seas roar and rivers clap, mountains sing and forests howl. Joyful noise from every voice, earth resounds, we all rejoice. With his right hand he shows his power, bringing hope in every hour. The world has seen his salvation's light. Triumph rings through the darkest night. Break forth in joy, dance and sing. Praise the Maker, the eternal King. From the depths to the skies above, we celebrate his endless love. Let the seas roar and rivers clap, mountains sing and forests howl. Joyful noise from every voice, earth resounds, we all rejoice. Trumpets call, the sound is clear. The whole world knows his presence here. Justice rolls like a mighty stream, fulfilling